When you're considering ChurchPal for your church management needs, there are 12 things you need to know before making your decision. It promises an all-in-one solution for organizing your church's operations, but how does it compare to others like Planning Center or Breeze? Stick around to the end, and I'll give you the full rundown. First thing to consider, ChurchPal offers comprehensive tools for managing members, donations, events, and volunteers, all within a single platform. While this is a big advantage, it's important to compare it to competitors like Planning Center, which also offers a wide range of features, but with more pricing tiers based on the features you want to access. Next thing, ChurchPal offers easy integration with accounting tools like QuickBooks and Stripe. This is a big plus for churches that need smooth financial operations. However, other software like Breeze offers similar integrations, but ChurchPal's simplicity might be more appealing to smaller churches with less complex needs. The third thing, ChurchPal's user interface is designed to be intuitive and simple. You don't need a tech-savvy team to get started, which makes it stand out against others like ACS Technologies, where setup and usage can feel more overwhelming for beginners. Fourth thing, ChurchPal supports mobile access for pastors and members alike, so managing events and donations on the go is easy. If mobile access is a priority for your church, you'll find ChurchPal's app to be efficient, though Planning Center's app is often praised for being more feature-rich and polished. The fifth thing to note is ChurchPal's ability to track attendance. It provides reports and insights that can help you gauge engagement, but compared to others, it might not be as sophisticated. Church management platforms like Elvanto offer more advanced attendance tracking tools that some larger churches may prefer. Next, ChurchPal's pricing is straightforward with a flat rate monthly fee. This can be a good deal if you're a church with a consistent budget. On the other hand, platforms like Breeze offer tiered pricing based on your church size and features used, which may be more flexible for smaller churches. The seventh thing, ChurchPal allows for custom branding of your online giving pages, which gives your church's site a personal touch. However, some competitors like Tithe.li offer more extensive customization options for those who want to create a more unique giving experience for their community. Moving on, ChurchPal has a great support system, with 24/7 assistance available through live chat and email. While other platforms like ACS Technologies also offer solid support, the ease of access to help with ChurchPal makes it a strong contender. The ninth thing is ChurchPal's event management tool, which allows churches to schedule and promote events easily. However, it lacks some advanced features that you'll find in competitors like Planning Center, which excels in event check-ins and management for large-scale events. 10th thing, ChurchPal offers a good volunteer management feature, but if you're looking for something more comprehensive, you might want to check out Breeze, which offers a deeper integration with scheduling and communication features for volunteers. Next, ChurchPal includes an easy-to-use communication system, allowing churches to send out messages to members through email or text. But if you need more robust communication features, platforms like Elvanto may offer more options, like customizable group chats or integrated messaging systems. The 12th thing to consider is ChurchPal's growth potential. While it's a great tool for small to medium-sized churches, larger churches may find it lacks scalability. For churches with more complex needs, Planning Center and ACS Technologies might be a better fit. All in all, ChurchPal is a solid option for churches looking for an easy-to-use, cost-effective management solution. But if you're looking for a more comprehensive and scalable solution, check out our recommended software, which you can try for free.